2012, I started getting money. I was like 16, going on 17.
It's your boy Mopar Breezy. I'm back with another video today. We are hitting abs quick and easy, okay? It's intense, but it's also good for beginners, all right? If you're looking to get a stronger six-pack, maybe get some visibility, this is gonna be clutch for you. You are going to need a pair of dumbbells and an ab roller, maybe a mat. If you're tough, you might not need a mat. We got 4 different exercises, very simple, very easy to follow. You know what we do here, okay? We got 4 sets of it. We got 15 to 25 reps. So let's talk about that, all right? I'm trying to get you to do 100 reps per round at 4 rounds, all right? At the very end of the 4th movement, then you can have a break. But this is going to be ran like a circuit without time. The only time factor in this particular workout is the rest interval. If you're on the fitter side, then let's go for 45 seconds and then right back after it with those high reps. Those high reps are gonna enable you to unlock that little muscle soreness in the stomach area. Believe it or not, no matter if you're out of shape or in shape, your core is pretty strong, so you need some resistance to throw at it. You need some volume in a short amount of time to throw at it, to make it respond and get stronger. Alright, so theoretically everyone has a strong core because you need to be able to sit up, you need to be able to walk, so that takes abs to do. So theoretically everybody do have abs. Now getting them visible to show, you know, is another situation. You got to be dialed in on that nutrition, so you can get some help with that. I have a few tips on that, but that's for another video. Alright guys, so let's talk about some of the movements here. We got the plank here, and we're adding that knee to chest or knee to elbow. I'm trying to get that knee to that elbow across. And then for the ab rollout, I added different directions just for fun and just for an extra challenge, hitting all sides of that core, inside, outside, left side, right side, you know what I'm saying? Just getting it bending and going in all the directions I can. Next is that weighted sit-up. Those weighted sit-ups, I like those because you're not pulling on your neck as much, okay? As you can see here, I'm just doing a little bit of showing out. Nah, no, I'm not, you know what I'm saying? It ain't really nothing. I just decided to try it, go for it. Why not? Every time I go to the gym and I do a workout, I try to do something that I haven't done, whether it's an extra rep, whether it's a new movement, something I saw. Alright, and here's a real good one. It's real slept on, but a lot of physical therapists use this. This is that dead bug. Alright, so imagine doing 15 each side of that. Alright, come on now. You know you're getting some good work in there. Some good work. And the core, I guarantee is gonna respond. I guarantee you that. You hear me? We're going back to those knee planks. This is good because you are holding a plank, but you are also moving. This is good for fat loss, you know. Just think about doing that. Here's a finisher, very key. Hurry up and do this, okay? You're gonna want to go left and right 2 times. Keep those feet in the air. It's your boy Mopar Breezy. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. If you are new to the page, please subscribe. All right, you're in the right place.